Hi guys, this video will talk about go-to feature. You might have heard about this feature, so today I'm actually going to explain what exactly it is, and this is just not just a one video, but I'll try to upload a series on this, and maybe I'll cover 5-6 videos on the go-to, so that you can always actually get the understanding, and you can in case if it is required, you can use it in your office or maybe wherever it is required, right? Whether you're working on project, you want some analysis, some kind of a science you want to use without using your actually brain, without using your efforts, and it's actually a very simple, and it's going to be very useful in some scenarios. So go-to feature is actually is it comes under what if analysis. You might have heard this word as well. So that's a tool which we have under this data tab, and you can see here that under this what if I have this scenario manager, goal seek, and data table. I'll cover the scenario manager as well, but not now. So this is a series. This series will talk about the goal seek. What exactly is the goal seek, right? So to get the understanding on the goal seek, we need to first prepare some dummy data, and then I will go ahead and explain you that where do we actually I beg your pardon, where do we actually use it, and how benefit it is. So let's say you have some numbers here. Let's say I'll make it very simple, since this is just going to be my first video on the goal seek, the series 1. So we'll have some number here. Let's say the val1, or I would say value 1, and you have a value 2 here, and here let's say you have the output. Okay, so you have here some number, and in output you are multiplying this number by this number. All right, so right now, because it's a 0, so definitely there is no doubt that output would be 0, right. And so now what we exactly want to do is uh, we want to check that, if let's say we want to increase our output to, let's say, 700, and we want to see that value. In order to get this 700, or maybe I can put some number here initially, let's say 12. So this is going to be my this new picture, which is 1200. So now what I want is I want to see that what would be the value in this my output. Let's say what would be the value in the value 2 parameter if I change my output to, let's say, maybe 1375, right? And so how you can do it, you can definitely use this what if analysis. So let's we have already set up the relationship. So setting up a relationship is very important. Unless until you will not connect these cells with each other, what if analysis is not going to work. So as you can see here, I have connected both the items val1 and value2 with this. So now if I want to see that what would be my value in the output, what would be the value in fact in the value 2, in case if I need this kind of output, maybe I'm looking for, let's say, 1550, then what has to be the output over here, in val 2, right? So obviously you can't do like this, you can't write this 1550, because then ultimately you will be deleting your formula, right? So maybe in order to get the 1550, you can change these numbers. Let's say I'm going to change some number to 13, and it's going to give me this 14, and then I'll multiply it 15, and then I need the 1550, so maybe I'll try to do this 15.5, and that's how you can reach up to this number. But in case if you have some number, let's say maybe a difficult number, let's say 23, now you want to check 1550, so you'll do multiply it by 15, and then you again multiply with this. Let's say you keep on increasing this number, right? So it is now, let's say we'll keep it 100, and then 112. So you see that you actually are doing a lot of steps. You're doing this. So this is just a basic example I'm taking, and in real scenarios it could be more, much it could be more difficult than what exactly we are doing. So since this is going to be my first video, so I will just keep it like to the basic point. So what exactly you want to do in order to change this value to 1550? What changes would you like to bring in value to? So that's where we actually use the goal seek, right? So just go to the goal seek under this tab, and what if analysis, goal seek, and you have here set cell to value by changing cell. So set cell means actually which cell you want to set. So I know that this is little confusing, this is not so clear, so I would say that Microsoft actually should bring little more clarity on these, because initially it actually seems very difficult to understand. But anyways, we'll discuss it, and then going forward you'll always keep this thing in your mind. So not a problem at all. Set cell means that which cell actually you want to set, and which cell the same cell you want to change the value to. So obviously I'm looking for this cell, which is this. Let me select this, my B5, and I want this output to be 1550, right? So I'll write here 1550, and by changing cell, which cell do you want to change? So either you want to change this, or you want to change whatever cell you want to change. So I want to change this cell, right? And I'll press OK, and let's see if we get the output or not. Alright, so we got the output. So now you can see here that you've got this number as a 67.39 and so on, right? So ideally if you round up this number, it would be 67 or 67.3, right? So 67.3 is a number which, if multiplied with this 23, it is actually going to give you this kind of a result, right? So similarly, if you're looking for, let's say, changes, again you're looking for the changes, and you want this number to be, let's say, a typical this kind of a number, let's say 234555. So what exactly you want to do? You want to change the value 1. You want to keep this 67.39 as it is. So doing it by yourself, it is going to take a lot of time, and it may not be even you will not be able to done. That might happen, because 67.39 is a number which you will have to do after a lot of practice, after a lot of efforts. But here we are actually getting this done in just fraction of second. So that's my number which I've set, and I'll write here 23455. The number, as the number goes bigger, your calculation, your steps would increase if you do it manually, right? So what cell I want to change? I want to change this time this 23, and I want to keep this 67.3 as it is, right? So let's press OK, and let's see what exactly we are going to get. Alright, so that's the number which exactly you need, 348, in order to get this number, right? So that's where you actually use the what if analysis, this feature, or go to. And so I hope this has cleared the concept, the basic fundamentals of the what if goal seek feature. And so this is going to be my video number 1 on this series, and I'll definitely go ahead and upload some more videos. So watch this video under my this channel list, playlist, and I'll upload this video under the new playlist, which you are not seeing right now, is the goal seek. So I'll upload all the videos, and this video will also, you can see in my this Excel videos, right? So, and you can watch all the videos over here. I have just uploaded 2 videos on the dashboard making, how you can actually create a front page of the dashboard. That's quite interesting, just watch out for that. And conditional formatting, all the 4 videos are very, very advanced level for conditional formatting videos. And similarly, you can watch the videos on the VBA, and if you're looking for some customization in the format cells, how you can change the property of the cells, then accordingly you can go through all these video list. And here I have talked about the arrays, the most dynamic formula, the most powerful and the most difficult formulas initially to understand. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video, and I'll come up with the series 2 as well on the same feature, go to. And till then, not the go to, I beg your pardon, it's actually on the what if analysis, and it's goal seek, right? So that's it for now, and do write me in. That's my email ID, in case if you need some help on Excel, or maybe you're looking for training. That's my email ID. Drop in me the mail, and I'll go ahead and upload the video. Thank you so much. Have a very, very good day. Bye bye.